Hello everyone, how are you? Today I tell you 10 new manufacturing business idea to launch in the UK with little capital. Are you looking to launch a new business? If so, fear no more because today we are going to share with you some incredible idea that will either help you become a millionaire or a billionaire or simply help you to generate additional income. However, before you pursue any of the business idea in this video, make sure you are really passionate about them. Before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel and enable notification if you are a new viewer to ensure that you don't miss any of our forthcoming video. Right away, these are 1. Can do producer. This would be a traffic concept for the smart start because it is much simpler and similar than it seems, requires little room, less money, and can be sold online. 2. Incense sticks, constant resources and expanding opportunities. Nowadays, a lot of incense sticks are exported around the world, as well expanding your market. 3. Flare manufacturing. Well, if you have very little capital, you can start with basic level of flare production, which would also include grading wet and other grains. Because people are becoming more and more health conscious, you can also keep a variety of greens to draw in production clients. 4. Creating cotton bud. There are many competitors for this simpler, less labor intensive but moving product at its use and favorable attributes maintain its high demand. 5. French fries making. This is a fantastic small scale industry that requires the appropriate equipment and potato sourcing. If the product quality is good, even large fast food chains may become connected to you. 6. Leather bag maker. Leather bags are useful for many things, including purses, wallets, laptop bags, school bags, and so on. Making these same things is easy, but it takes imagination to make it stand out from competitors who have less resources. 7. Textile manufacture. The manufacturing of textiles is one of the top priorities with small to large investments, and the industry needs both space and equipment. If you have the first funds, you can choose bank loan option and launch your business. 8. Those who make biscuits appreciate homemade goods. A small skilled enterprise like baking biscuits can be started with little money up front and with only the most basic infrastructure. 9. The manufacturer is reflected dependent on the capital and space available. You can continue to expand the range of products made from milk, ranging from ghee, butter to cream. However, keep in mind to obtain the necessary license and maintain a clean environment. 10. Soap liquid. Finding the right ingredients, combining them with the right recipes and progress can help you make a good income. Just remember to test the finished products before you sell them. If you liked the video and found it interesting enough, please give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in comment section below. You can also suggest a topic for us to cover and we will do that for you. Don't leave this video without clicking the red subscribe enable you to receive notification whenever we upload new content. Thanks for watching. Be sure you check out the other fantastic videos on this channel. Do check them out. See you in our next.